G'day, cryptocurrency traders, whatever form you do, whatever you like to do it. Again, I'm just showing you what I do. Do whatever you like. If you like my system, if you think it'll work for you, go for it. Not a financial guy, I just do what I do. You can see today is pretty lousy as far as what's going on. Bitcoin's down pretty hardcore. I think it's like 7% or something it's down today. So, but that's an opportunity. So I always think it's a good thing to have all these coins that go up when Bitcoin goes down, because if you don't, well then you have these days where you don't make money. Today's not a big money day for me. I only made 25 bucks out of it, but I made 25 bucks out of today where most people don't make 25 bucks and they're down, a wad. And so what I do on these days where Bitcoin's down, it's pretty simple. Everything I do is pretty simple. It's a no-brainer. I'm skimming the coins that are up, taking out $2, $3, not much, I'm not taking out much money at all. Is there more money there? Yeah, of course there is. I think you'll see coming up here somewhere there's a coin that did like 100% or something. So just because Bitcoin's down doesn't mean there's not other coins that are performing really well. And I'm going to make another video on, showing that GTC is at 96% there. But I think it went over 100% as well for that day. So it doubled, So if you had $1,000 on there, it would have been up to $2,000. Whereas Bitcoin was down 7%. So I don't get to another one there, 40%, 10%. So I don't get too worried when Bitcoin goes down. In fact, it's a good thing for me. So what I do then is I skim these coins that are in my price range that allow me to make a bit of money. Like I said, it's not much. But then I take that profit and I buy Bitcoin with it. So when Bitcoin goes down, I skim the coins that are up and I reinvest it back into Bitcoin. So then when Bitcoin goes up, I have more money in Bitcoin. And I generally don't skim Bitcoin, and I'm not skimming Shiba Inu at the moment either, because I don't know what's going on. I like it when all these people are like out there pushing an old coin or a thing or to the moon or whatever, because even if it doesn't get there, I don't really care, because I still made money along the way anyway. Like everybody can do whatever they do. It makes no difference to me. In fact, I prefer it, because it just keeps my money machine making. Again, I'm not here saying that these are the best investment strategies or whatever. What I'm saying is the way I do it is just to have a system that keeps making money all day, every day. I probably won't skim again today unless Bitcoin suddenly shoots up and then all the other coins follow it up, and then there's a lot of profit in there. Then I might skim again today. That's kind of what happens on these sort of days where Bitcoin drops down so hard, and then it has a big bounce back up, and all the other coins bounce back up with it. If it's there and I can look and there's like a couple of $100 there to skim out, I'm gonna do it, because the next day it might drop down again and that couple of $100 might not be there in my skim. I mean, it's still there. I mean, I'll still have that money. And as you can see, my account's sitting at 19 odd thousand there. So it's dropped down a fair bit from what it was the day before. But that, again, it doesn't really matter, because that's all still profit for me. It's at 19,700. I could withdraw 19,700 and have 19,700 profit. None of that is my invested money. All that is profit money. So yeah, on days like today where it's all sort of gone, down in the Bitcoin, it's minus 7.25%. It's a great day to buy. So I just buy into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is whatever your views are, is a standard, and it's what most people understand, and it's probably the one that's been around the longest. Obviously it has, and it's probably going to be around for a lot longer as well, and it's what most people are buying in as a safe one. And as that happens, then less and less around and more of it goes up, so you may as well own a bit of it. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today, so check out the book, keep trading.